everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you a dead quick video on how you can swap your root site in SharePoint using the modern approach. So we're not going to use PowerShell for this. So as you can see, I've got a beautiful intranet site here. This is the root of the tenancy. I've also got a new communication site here. So this, as you can see, we've got sites and then new internet root site. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap this site in, and I'm going to bring this into the root of the site. And all you need to do, it's actually dead easy, is you click the waffle, click admin, show all, and then go to the SharePoint admin center. And then if you come to active sites, and then what you want to do is you want to find your root site. If you highlight your root site, and then you'll have an option here, replace site. So if I just click replace site here, the URL of the site you want to use. So I'm just going to take this URL. Okay, so there we can see the root site replaced. So let's take a look. So now if I refresh this, this should reroute me. So now you can see it's rerouted, and now you can see that site is at the root of the tenancy. And now if I just refresh this one, see, that's just took me to the root site. One more thing to show is with this approach, I found when we would use PowerShell, you can set the name of what the old site was, but with this modern approach, it seems to actually name it itself. So as you can see here, it's renamed it to archive, and then it gives it a date stamp and then the timestamp it was archived. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Thank you.